1,000 public sector workers have rallied on the steps of Parliament House, calling for an end to job and funding cuts. It comes just 2 days before the state budget is handed down. Alicia Banner has more.
There are bus drivers, nurses, social workers and prison officers, to name a few. Our public sector workers who say they're being forced to do more with less and they've had enough. 1,000 of them rallied on the front steps of Parliament House, calling for an end to cuts, for better funding and conditions.
The Barnett government is intent on dismantling the public service. It's about eroding their job security, but importantly, it's also about the reduction of services to the community.
Funding cuts isn't their only concern. By the end of the next financial year, the state government will have cut 1,200 jobs from the public sector. It comes as the opposition revealed the state government has doubled its spending on temporary staff.
In the last few years, the government has spent $281 million on temporary staff across the public sector. At the same time, they're sacking full-time workers. The
Premier conceded staffing levels could be better managed, but says the job cuts are a necessity.
You are seeing people in the private sector, Mr Speaker, who have been told they do not have a job. And I say to the public servants and those in the gallery, you do have a job, and unless you choose voluntary redundancy, your employment and your wage level is protected.
Premier, how do you justify these staff cuts when you give your own personal staff pay rises of up to 52%?
In both cases, those people were promoted to a higher level of responsibility. They were.
Alicia Banner, 10 News.